Hello student, in previous lecture we have discussed a question based on rationalize the denominator, and we are covering some more question based on this topic. You have a question, rationalize the denominator 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. You know, this is the denominator of this will is irrational number. Then what you will do in first step, you will multiply this by the conjugate of this number, and conjugate of this will be root 5 minus root 2. Then you will multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of root 5 plus root 2. In next step you will solve it. Then you will apply here the identity a plus b and a minus b. And how you will solve it? If you will multiply root 5 minus root 2 with 1, you will get root 5 minus root 2. And in denominator a plus b and a minus b, then that is a square minus b square. Then a is root 5, then you can write it root 5 square minus root 2 square. Then you will solve it. Root 5 minus root 2 will be as it is in numerator, and root 5 square is 5 minus root 2 square is 2. Then root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the result. We will cover one more question based on this. You have root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. Same, you will rationalize the denominator. Then what you will do, you will multiply this by the conjugate of root 5 root 3 plus root 2. Then conjugate of this will be root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. In this question you can see in numerator these both term are same. Then in both cases you can apply the identity. Then in numerator you can apply the identity a minus b into a minus b, you will get a minus b whole square. And in denominator same identity you will apply. Then in numerator result will be root 3 minus root 2 whole square, and in denominator root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. You will apply the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And in this case same, you will apply the identity a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Then you will solve it. Root 3 square a square plus root 2 square b square minus 2 a into b. Root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2. Numerator you will get root 3 square is 3 plus 2 minus, if you will multiply, then root 3 into root 2 you will get root 6, and in denominator 3 minus 2 is 1. You will solve it same term, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1. Then you will get 5 minus 2 root 6, and this is the result. Student, now we will cover one more topic, visualize. We will visualize the number on number line using successive magnification. You have one question from NCERT. You will visualize 3.765 on number line. You can see 3.765 will lie between 3 and 4. Then first of all we will locate 3 and 4 on number line. Just we will draw the number line, and first of all we will locate 3 and 4 on a number line. Then you have we have locate 3 and 4 on number line. In next step, this one is step first. In step 2, you can see you have a number 3.765. Then next step, you can see 3.7 will lie between 3 and 4. Now you will magnify 3 and 4. It means now you will locate 3 and 4 again, and you will divide the line in 10 equal parts, 3 and 4, and you will divide it in 10 equal parts. After 3 you will get 3.1. If you will magnify it, then you will get 3.1, 3.2. You will divide it into 10 equal parts, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and after 3.9 you will get 4. Now you can see again here 3.7. After this you will see there is 3.76, and 3.76 will lie between 3.7 and 3.8. In next step you will magnify 3.7 and 3.8. This one is step 2. In step 3rd you will magnify 3.7 and 3.8. Again in number line you will magnify 3.7 and 3.8. Just you will write here 3.7 and here 3.8. Now you will divide it into 10 equal parts. Then you will write 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, here 3.79 you can write here, and then after that you will get 3.8. Now you can see there is number 3.76, and you can see here 3.76. 5 will lie between 3.76 and 3.77. It means you will magnify 3.76 and 3.77. In step 4, you will magnify 3.76 at 3.77. Now you will draw a number line 3.76, and here you will write 3.7. Again you will divide it into 10 equal parts, 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, and so on. Then you can see here a number 3.765 will lie here. It means this is the magnification of the number 3.765. You can write here number 3.767 and so on.